Yo, alright, this is Beholder. I'm doing a little blind let's play or whatever. I have no idea what it's about. Looks spooky. I think I'm watching people in an apartment, like a massive creep, so I should fit right in. Got plenty of experience with that. And let's see what we've got going. New game? As it was meant to be played with difficult choices and challenges. Since I'm doing a blind, let's go with Government Elite and just get my butt kicked. Carl Stein. We are happy to announce you've been appointed the landlord of Class D, blah, 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 apartment block, blah, blah. Experimental drug we injected into your system during your medical exam compresses your need to sleep. Thus, you'll be able to spend more time observing your motherland. Okay, that's a bit creepy. Welcome
Dear Carl Stein.
So we're Russian or German. Oh, he looks so sad. Oh my god! Oh no, we're having flashbacks. What did I do?
An
Oh, that's my
apartment
honey.
on the floor.
I've got a cute daughter. This game is super cute looking.
The experimental medicine you've been in. Thus, you will be able to spend more time serving your motherland.
This is brutal. I love the aesthetic though. That's sick. It's got like 3D, 2D. It's all squishy and soft. So how am I serving the motherland? Huh. This looks like a cozy place. I'm sure we'll feel right at home here. Gosh, it's so fluid and nice though. I love it. Oh, goodness, that wasn't me they were beating up. That was the guy I'm replacing. Oh, okay. You can blackmail your tenants, but they won't pay you forever. Oh, this is gonna be like Papers, Please. I'm too nice for this kind of game. Oh, what happened? It's not responding. Are you telling me it crashed? Really? Hello? Oh, this is your boss. Click on him to begin talking. When there is a excitement by an NPC, he or she has a quest for you.
In his room.
Oof, that's a bit loud. Better turn that down. What's this about the pines? Aw, I'm working to put my son through college. Okay. I'm supposed to go talk to my boss. Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. So I can grab it and move around. Let's go talk to Mr. Bruno. What's going on? I saw you just beat a dude in a cutscene. That wasn't cool. It is of no concern to you. Yeah, that's probably not. No, I'm not gonna argue with my boss when he's getting people beaten. I.e., he became an outlaw. And the word everything means? The word everything means absolutely everything. I almost cursed. But I'm a good boy, so I won't do that. That's a lie. Document any suspicious activity. Like the game freezing? Document hobbies, interests, and even conversations. How can I do this? Like, no, not instructions. I mean morally. I need help, yeah, I've never done this before. Please help me, Mr. Monocle. We live in the basement. Okay, it is illegal to harbor criminals. I will be put to death if a criminal is detected. Cool. Alright, seems good. Oh, okay. It's to the right. Which way's right? This is right. He's all wiggly. Come talk to Mr. Bruno Hemper. Wiggle with. Follow me! So squishy. Here's your first reward. Money. I have an issue to deal with at the ministry. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be doing a voice. Deep voice. Even though completing the order of the ministry is our bread and butter. It's also our water and beer. I suddenly inhaled helium. Your predecessor couldn't handle things. We're hoping you will do better. Just tell me how. I'll do my best. Because I do not want to disappoint you and have my family beaten. I like your enthusiasm. Let it be so. I get to work. I don't need to record my family. Oh, geez. Fast look. Okay. Oh, ooh. Fancy house. Okay, so I need to gather data on Jacob Minsky. He's on the second floor? No, he's in apartment 2. So he's down here. Knocking. Doesn't appear to be home. Install this camera. Surveillance initiated. Ooh, what's in the plans? Nothing. I'll be a great manager. He's not here yet, is he? Like the camera. Nothing in here. Okay, cool. I'll just keep searching his house. Oh shoot, he's coming. Okay, cool. Ooh, nice. Now, time to go be a corporate dog. No drugs, right? 640. Send. cardio surgeon. Okay, he's a famous surgeon. Sure, I'd rather rent to a famous surgeon. Okay. Hello. Let's see. Okay. Cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, we can back up so he stops talking there. Found your dolly. Here you go, small child. Okay. Jones Coconetta. Sure. Imported soda is prohibited. Let's buy one, shall we? Oh no. I've been caught. Oof. I have made a mistake. It's not illegal. Oh sheesh. No, don't come home. Hold on, what game am I playing? Beholder? Great. Oh, I'm dead. That kind of sucks.
No one from Carl Stein's family was destined to live to the end of the year.
Well, that's a bit of a kick in the nads, ain't it? Well, I think that's good for a first try. I'd like to thank my friend, the Lizard, for gifting me this game. And, whoa, that guy's got a gun. And I'm dead. Well, let's just get out of Dodge here.